the one-year anniversary of the Rolling Forward program.
And we're celebrating. We're celebrating all of our successes for the last year.
Those successes have been many. Bicycles donated by Coastal Carolina University were made available to clients at the New Directions Men's Shelter in Myrtle Beach. From the beginning, those clients embraced the program. Now it's 1 year later.
The Rolling Forward program has become more than what we all anticipated it becoming.
It's been extraordinarily successful. Students love it, clients love it.
I didn't know what to expect, but we've built a wonderful program that has benefited many, many clients.
It feels like a community win.
I had no idea there was a need for bikes. I didn't know anything about it until I came here.
They are being used to the point that we can't even keep up sometimes with the demand.
We have clients who would not be able to be where they are today if they didn't have their own transportation.
I've had people say, I couldn't have gotten a job if I didn't have a bike.
There's so many different needs for the bikes that we're able to provide.
It brings peace of mind to them knowing that they're not stuck here and they can just leave whenever they want.
This began as an assignment for sociology students at Coastal.
I got some brilliant idea that I could send my students down here to do some interviews, and I asked them and they said yes, and I'm like, yay.
Courtney Brown was involved in conducting those initial interviews.
Those surveys are the surveys that led to the creation of the bike program.
We started looking at the interviews and realized that transportation was a serious issue, and we thought we can do something about this.
So because of CCU and its students, Rolling Forward exists.
We're able to do much more together, so it says a lot about our relationship with the university and how we are so thankful for them.
There are similar bike programs elsewhere.
Universities all across the country do service learning type activities with their students.
Here, though, Coastal and its students are sticking around to assess the program's effectiveness.
Because we're doing that follow-up, we're adding something to what's been done around other areas.
Before, during, and after Rolling Forward's creation, students have been involved.
They've been able to see sociological research in action.
Yeah, it could be used as a model. Students really get a lot out of it.
We've seen a lot of really positive student outcomes.
The biggest takeaway I've had is that homeless people are just like you or me or anyone watching.
Courtney Brown now volunteers here. Haley Boudry is interning here to help run the bike program.
This has shown me that I want to be a part of the town that I'm in and see how I can help and be a part of everything.
The impact on the homeless community has been great, while the impact on students has been just as impressive.
It reduces their stereotypes. They become much less fearful of people that are different.
We've also seen an increased commitment to future engagement.
I think it has really made a difference in a lot of students.